Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to plan your next trip with ease and style? Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up a Notion travel planner using a free, ready-made template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking digital travel organizer that's easy to customize, reuse, and share, saving you hours of preparation and adding a bit of fun to the planning process. Let's dive right in. For this demo, we'll be using Notion's Travel Planner template. Templates are a fantastic way to speed up your workflow because they're designed to look polished right out of the gate, which means you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Think of it like starting with a pre-built Lego kit instead of a pile of random pieces. It's structured for you, but you can always add your own flair later. Begin by heading over to the top left corner of your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down menu there. Click it to reveal more options. If this is your first time exploring templates in Notion, don't worry, you're not alone. Notion makes it really intuitive. You'll want to select Browse Templates from the menu. Take your time here. There are tons of templates for different needs, but we're focusing on travel today. In the template gallery, use the search bar to type in Travel Planner. You'll spot several variations, each with its own style and features. Feel free to quickly scroll through the options and pick the one that has fields and layouts that make sense for the kind of trips you take. For example, if you're a backpacker, you might want something with a checklist and budget tracker, while a family holiday might need extra room for itinerary details. Once you've found the template that feels right for you, just click Select. This adds it instantly to your workspace. It's a bit like adding a new notebook to your shelf, except this one's already set up with helpful sections. Now, click Add, and your travel planner template pops up, ready to go. Here's where the fun happens. First, walk through each section and start filling in your credentials, the basics like your name, contact details, even emergency information if you want. This might seem trivial, but having these details handy can go a long way during actual travel, especially if you need quick access or you're sharing this planner with someone else. Next, let's add your creatives. These could be images of your destination, ticket PDFs, packing lists, or hotel confirmation numbers. Notion makes it really simple to drag and drop files right into your new planner. You could even link important web pages or jot down restaurants to try. This is where the template starts feeling like your travel journal. If you're someone who likes things a bit more personalized, Notion's flexibility is a huge plus. You might want to change category names, adjust colors, or reorganize sections to fit your style. Don't worry if you're experimenting and something looks off. Every change can be undone easily. Think of it like rearranging your suitcase until everything fits just right. And that's it. You've now turned a blank workspace into a sleek, organized travel planner that you can use for your upcoming adventures or tweak anytime you have another trip. Remember, planning should be enjoyable, not overwhelming, and Notion's template system is here to help with that. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Safe travels, and have fun planning your next journey.